Back to my channel. So today we are diving into something really exciting for AI enthusiasts, developers and creators. That is the Hugging Face spaces. So today we will learn about how we can create AI applications very easily using the free tools in the Hugging Face. Here you don't need to manage any servers or any models. You can just build your AI application and you can share with your friends or teammates or with anyone, with the public very easily. So Hugging Face is one of the leading platform for AI and machine learning tools, and Hugging Face Spaces is where you can create and share, explore AI web applications all without setting up your own servers. Isn't it amazing? So let's deep dive into the Hugging Face Spaces. So let me share my screen so that you can see the UI. So this is the Hugging Face UI. This is also we have already discussed in our last video that what is the Hugging Face. So today we are going to deep dive into the Hugging Face spaces. You can click on the this is our home page of Hugging Space, and here you can click on the spaces. Then you will land into this page. So here you can see there are lots of AI application. Someone has created these application and that is ready to use. You can use it very easily. This we also seen in our last video. So for example, let me show you again. If you want to use any application, you can click on it. Let me select one application for text generation. So you can select any application of your choice. Okay, I'm clicking on this. So now here you can see this application is running. It is in running state. And this application is already someone has created and deployed in this Hugging Face spaces. In the same way, you can also build your own application and you can share with everyone. And you can showcase your skills to everyone. So let me here type something. So here you can enter some prompt here. Please write a poem in river. Okay, let's see if we get the response or not. So due to huge traffic, there might be some delay in the response. Let's see if we get the response or not. Meanwhile, let me okay. Meanwhile, let's go ahead, move ahead. We will come back here once we get any response. So let's understand what are the real life use cases of these spaces. So here in the spaces section, we can see that we can get all types of AI application. We can use this application. You can click on any of these application and here is the status, this is running, and then you can, let me try this one. Let me upload an image. Let's see if it is working. Okay, generate image to video. I think it will also take some time. The creator from image starts to generate image to video. See, it is working. So this is also an AI application which is created by someone, and they have published this application in the Hugging Face spaces. So it has created the video. Oh, not sure what it has added, but this application is working. And you can see the files. So in the files, you can see all the code of this application, which model is being used, and what are all the libraries needed. Everything you can see here. All the application details you can check from this code. Okay. So this was one demo. So it is already in pending state. Okay, fine. So let's create our own application in the Git on this Hugging Face spaces. We will going to create an application. Okay. So what we can do? It is very simple task. First, you need to click on spaces, and then you can click on new space. Here I am the owner. You can give any name to the space. Let me give uh, image decoder app. Then give short description, image decoder. Then license is not required because we are using it for learning purpose. Then select the space SDK. So you can select the Gradio, it will provide a UI based on Gradio library. This is the Python library which is used to create web application. You can also use Docker or static template. For today, for this demo, we are selecting Gradio and we are using the blank because we will create our own application. Then this is the free space hardware. There are also paid hardware is also available in this section, but this is for our learning and demo purpose. So we are selecting the free tier. And then this is the option to make this application public or private. If you will make it private, so no one else will be able to see your application. And if you will make it public, so anyone can see your application, they can use your application. So I am making it public. Now here you can see, so here you are getting the git clone option. So you can clone this code in your local, then you can do all the coding, you can create your AI application. You can push the code in this Hugging Face space. To push the code, you need access token. So access token, I will let you know how to do it. For now, I am just creating the app.py in the using the browser. I am creating any file in the local, and here you can put your code. So I have already created code. Let me paste it here. So I have pasted my code. This is my code. This is the model I am using for my AI application. This is the image decoder. It will decode the image. And I am using these library. So I will create a requirements.txt file as we do in our local. To install some libraries, we need a requirements.txt file in Python. So in same way, here also we will create one requirements.txt file. So here you can create new file. I'm giving the name requirements.txt. And here you can mention which all librarian files you need to install. Then I am doing the commit. Okay, so once commit is done, so it is here you can see status is building. So it is building your code. So it will auto build and will create the container and then it will run your application. You don't need to do anything. You are just deploying your code in this Hugging Face spaces. See here now build is completed. Now it is starting your application. Here you can see state is starting. You can see the logs from here. Build is already completed. Now it is in container state. It will start in few minutes, I think. So starting may take some time. Let's wait for few seconds. So here you have all the code. All the application code is here. This will not run, I think. And if you like this application, so you can click on like button. And if you want to use this application in your code, so you can copy the code from here. And then there is a community section where you can raise a pull request if you want to do some changes. So you can collaborate with the team. So it is like a GitHub where you can push your code and you can coordinate with the team. You can do the changes and you can commit the changes. So it is like a GitHub also where you have AI applications and code. And this GitHub spaces is like you can consider it like a YouTube where you upload your videos in the same way. Here you are uploading your AI applications for the public. Public can see your application and they can use it. It's still starting. So here you can get all type of AI application like you can filter it out image generation, video generation, text generation, language generation, any type of AI application you can get from here. Open NLM leaderboard. Let's see what is CPU upgrade. Open LLM leaderboard archived. Open and reducible search model name. Okay, let me try. So you can filter what is the rank of particular model because in this Hugging Face there are a lot of open source model, right? So it is creating the rank of all the models. So it's like this. I have filtered this. There are 4,576 models. And what is the rank of this model? So that is we are selecting from this application. It is still starting. Let me refresh. trending asset sentiment analysis, asset name, car, let's see, I don't know. Okay, example, Adobe, Alphabet, Amazon. Let me select Amazon. Analyze sentiment. So it is for sentiment analysis. So it will give you a chart, everything it is doing. Sentiment summary, negative, positive, neutral. Okay. So you can get all the data. So you can, this is very useful, I think. You can see the trend of business. Why it is taking so much time? Let me try one more time. Okay, now it's running. Now it's running. Let me click on app. It is running, okay. Yeah, but it is slow. So this is our application which we have deployed in this Hugging Face space. So in same way, you can also deploy your own AI application very easily. You don't need to manage any infrastructure, any server, any model. You are just using the model and you have created your AI application and you have deployed in this Hugging Face space. So in this application, we need to enter our own API token. So let me tell you how to create access token. So you can click on this in your icon, and then here this is the option of access tokens. Then you need to enter your password. And then you can create your new token, and you can give the read permission that is sufficient for to access any model. But if you are using the GitHub, you are pushing the code to the using the git command, then you need a write access. But for accessing the model, you can only use the read access, that would be sufficient. So this is how you can create the access token. Let me go back in spaces. This is my application. Let me enter my API token. Okay. Now, this is an image decoder application. Let me select one image. Okay, I have selected this image. Then you need to write a prompt. Let me give, uh, please give, yeah, oh, please describe this image in 5 lines. 5 lines. Okay. Now submit. So it has given the details. The image depicts a laptop with the word blog, and we have got the response in the 5 lines. So everything, every details of this image is this application is giving. And if you want to share this space with anyone, so you can just copy and you can share this URL, and they can also see this application. So it is very easy to share your application using this Hugging Face space. I hope you like this session. If you have any questions, please comment in comment section. Please like, share. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. That's all for today. Thank you so much everyone for joining. Have a great day ahead.